Before buying a Flux core welder, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Real buyers are often frustrated by the hidden details that can make or break your welding experience. Product number 1. Welder 205 A MIG welder. The Welder 205 A MIG welder is quite the standout at $339.99. What caught my attention is its 5-in-1 functionality, which means you can tackle everything from MIG to TIG to stick welding. If you want versatility in your welding projects, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a robust 200 amp output and dual voltage options, 110V/220V, it handles various materials like steel and aluminum with ease. Its synergic control allows you to adjust wire feed speed while automatically matching voltage, which is especially beneficial for beginners. Plus, the clear digital display lets you monitor real-time current, ensuring precision in every weld. This welder has earned a solid 4.6-star rating from over 1,400 reviews, making it a popular choice among users. Now, some people complained about its weight, which is around 27 pounds. Here's the thing though, it's portable enough for most DIY jobs, and the features you get make it a solid investment for serious welders. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a multi-functional welder that can grow with your skills. Skip this one if you're strictly a hobbyist who only needs something very basic. For the price, you're getting a ton of value here. Now, if the weight of the Welder 205A bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Welder 135 A MIG welder. Next up is the Welder 135 A MIG welder, priced at just $109.99. This one immediately caught my eye for its affordability and ease of use. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's a 3-in-1 welder, handling gasless flux core MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding. The synergic control feature is designed to automatically match the voltage to your wire feed speed, which is a game changer for beginners. Its compact design at only 11.4 pounds makes it ultra portable, perfect for tackling projects on the go. With a 4.4-star rating from nearly 2,900 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its performance. Now, some users have mentioned that the welder could struggle with thicker materials. Here's the thing though. For most home projects and auto repairs, it performs excellently and is perfect for lighter tasks. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or need a reliable welder for small projects. Skip this one if you plan to tackle heavy-duty welding tasks. For the price, it offers incredible value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a bit more power. Product number 3. Welder 165 A MIG welder. Moving on, we have the Welder 165 A MIG welder at $189.99. This welder immediately caught my attention for its 4-in-1 capabilities. If you want a reliable, multi-functional welder that can handle a variety of tasks, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a 165 amp output, it's capable of welding materials up to 3/16 thick, making it quite versatile. The automatic voltage adjustment ensures that whether you're a beginner or a pro, you can get the settings right every time. The digital display is another bonus, allowing for easy monitoring of your settings. It boasts a solid 4.5-star rating from 184 reviews, which indicates a strong user satisfaction. Now, some folks have pointed out that the setup can take time, especially for newcomers. But here's the thing. That initial effort pays off when you see the quality of work you can produce with this welder. This is perfect for you if you want a balance between price and performance. Skip this one if you're strictly looking for the lightest option, as it weighs about 25.8 pounds. But for what you get, it's definitely worth the investment. Now, if you need something even lighter, the next product might be the one. Product number 4. Welder 160 A MIG welder. Next is the Welder 160 A MIG welder, priced at $179.99. This welder caught my eye for its portability and power. If you want something that's both lightweight and capable, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a 160 amp output and dual voltage options, this welder is an excellent choice for a range of welding applications, from auto repairs to DIY projects. The Smart Control feature automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed, which is a huge help for beginners. Plus, the advanced LED display offers clarity while you work, even in bright conditions. With a 4.5-star rating from 965 reviews, it's clearly a favored choice. Now, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit underpowered for heavy-duty jobs. But here's the thing. Unless you're working with very thick materials regularly, it's more than sufficient for everyday jobs. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a portable option that doesn't compromise on features. Skip this one if you need something specifically for industrial use. For the price, it strikes a great balance. Now, if you want a heavy-duty option, the last product on our list is for you. Product number 5, R-Captain 200A MIG Welder. Finally, we have the R-Captain 200A MIG Welder, which comes in at $369.99. This welder really caught my attention for its impressive 6-in-1 functionality. If you want a professional-grade welder that can tackle just about anything, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It supports MIG, flux core, stick, and even spot welding, making it incredibly versatile. With a maximum output of 200 amps, it can handle thicker materials with ease. The large LED display is a game changer for visibility, especially when you're in the middle of a project. It's rated 4.6 stars from nearly 1,000 reviews, showing that users love its performance. Now, some users have mentioned that its price may be on the higher side. But here's the thing. The range of features and the quality you get make it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about welding. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful welder for professional use. Skip this one if you're only doing light hobby work, as it might be more than you need. For serious welders, the investment pays off. So there you have it. We covered the Welder 205, 135, 165A, 160A, and the R-Captain 200A welder. Each of these welders has its strengths, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Choose based on your specific needs, and you can't go wrong. Happy welding!